Business game changer is at SRP and Cebu City. Why? Top businesses had located: SM Seaside Mall, Philinvest CDM, New Star Casino and Hotel, El Corso Lifestyle Mall, under construction buildings, SM Arena, CDM and SM Ayala commercial lots, South Coast City. Get commercial lots now at low pre-selling offer. This is your last chance to be part of the new Cebu City. Choose your commercial lot location. Fill up a letter of intent and submit. Contact Douglas F. Pañares. Phone 63915-842-6920. Email dogpanares@gmail.com. Thank you and God bless.